I'm Summer Beauty. Welcome back to my channel. Get monetized, create, and grow. So let's get into it. Today we're going into these samples that we got. We got some different samples, so let's get right into it. Ooh. If you haven't signed up for the TikTok shop, I highly recommend you do. The bulk of my samples do come from the TikTok shop. And when you get approved there, you also get approved at another app called Skippers. And the same requirement for the TikTok shop is the same requirement for Skippers. So if you're approved for TikTok shop, you'll be approved for the Skippers app. And I think I got some samples of them from them today. I ain't got my scissors. Okay. I don't even know what this is. Okay, so this, Wish Trend. Hold on, this is from Wish Trend. It's a cream and a toner. No, it's a mandelic acid skin prep water. I have this already. I've tried this one. And then the other one is a mandelic gentle exfoliating toner. Which one do I got? How? Oh, shit. I can't never find it. Never find that. I know damn well. Anyway, so I believe these samples came from Skippers. I believe this set came from Skippers. So one is a skin prep toner. Golly. Okay, yeah, this is the one that I've tried before. This one's a skin prep toner. Well, actually it says skin prep water. Removes dead skin cells, mandelic acid 5%, smooth, dull, rough skin. And then this one is also mandelic acid, gentle exfoliating toner. So cute. Thank you, Miss Trail. Alright. This one, it's a weird packaging, but I know what it is. It's a book. And this came from the TikTok shop. And it's called The Inner Work. An invitation to true freedom and lasting happiness. If you are human and you want to be happy, this book is for you. So, thank you, Inner Work. There's that. Dive into that. Thank you, TikTok shop. Next. We ain't got no scissors. Oh my gosh. That didn't work. Okay. Alright. Moving right along. Okay, so these, I was waiting for these. These came from the TikTok shop. It's a, upside down. These came from the TikTok shop. It's a micro needling under eye patch for dark puffs, and dark circles. So I'm hoping that'll help with I got like some hollowness going on here because I'm dehydrated. I need to get my hydration on. Thank you, TikTok shop. Okay, moving right along. These go quick because this unboxing. What do we have here? This shiny baby. Oh, now these were a little weird. I don't normally do weird extracts from animals. I thought this said that snake venom peptide. I don't know how I feel about that. Retinol, triple collagen, snake venom peptide. I hope it's not real snake, is it? I hope not. They killed snakes to make this. Aqua glycerin, perfume liquid. Is that perfume? Sorbate. acid. Would it be some weird name, I'm wondering? Hydrolyzed collagen, collagen amino acids, elastin. D, it's probably this right here. It's like the second to the last ingredient. D-peptide, D-amino, butyrol, benzolamide, dimethoate. It's probably that. Yeah, thank you, I guess, TikTok shop. But it's supposed to be anti-gravity nourish soft cream. So it's a neat little packaging. They're like individually wrapped moisturizers. Good for travel. Anti-gravity nourish. Yeah, so you just pop it like that in the middle and the cream comes right out of there. Yeah. I didn't read the fine print, but thank you, TikTok shop. Oh, and the last one is actually a Ipsy bag, so it's not technically free samples. Okay, and this one is a Pro from VGO, a Pro Retinol Cream. This will be good for my nighttime skincare routine. So it's got 1% retinol, 1% bakuchiol, and 6% panthenol, vitamin B. So we'll dive into that later. Next, we got our Ipsy bag. I'm loving my Ipsy bag. So I'm gonna do another video on rating my Ipsy bag, my first Ipsy bag. I loved it. There were some products that I didn't like one, but for the most part, I liked it. So what they do is you can just have what comes inside the Ipsy bag, or you can pick the products that you want to come inside your Ipsy bag, or you can also add additional products for like the prices are really cheap. So I like it so like travel size. So if you want to find out if you like some different skincare products, you can get little mini travel sizes. So I got a few add-ons. The first add-on, see, this is from the other company. I liked it, this one. This one was a, they had a serum that I liked. This was from my last Ipsy bag. It was this serum from this company, and this one I picked the toner, and it's a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna put that one in my beauty fridge. I like this company. Pro Berry Pore Refining Toner. Okay, gotta keep these pores toned down, baby. And then we have a vitamin enriched face base. Is this by Bobbi Brown? Bobbi Brown, yes, okay. That's my girl, Bobbi Brown. Vitamin rich face base, yes. So we're gonna put that on before we do some makeup. And we also are loving the Glow recipe. This also was from my Ipsy bag, this serum. And then I also picked, this one is a Bright Eye Gel Cream, also from the Glow Company. These smell so delicious. It's got watermelon extract in it. I also have some other Glow recipe items coming in the mail. So these three were my add-ons. And so let's see what's in our Ipsy bag. If we can get in there. Here's this month's bag. So these come out each month, and you can, there's 3 tiers. This is the middle tier, I think. And then they have a bigger one, so you can get the bigger one, you get like full-size products. This one is like little sample size products. I like the size that you get. Ooh, so we have some Mark Anthony Grow Long Scalp and Hair Serum. Okay. Already starting out good. What's this? Beauty Vault Ultimate Lip Liner Duo from Beauty Vault in the shade Cocoa. and Dear Remy. Okay. 2 lip pencils. Nice. There's the colors. There's the cocoa and the demi red. No, it said demi. What did I say it said? Dear Remy. Okay, already starting good, baby. I love these Ipsy bags. I am so late. Why y'all didn't tell me? Okay, Elmis. Okay, this is another brand that I've tried. Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Ultra Rich. Okay, anti-wrinkle rich day cream. I love skincare, honey. I love some skincare. All right, and then you can also pick. So some of the items, those items were a surprise. This one I actually picked, so you can choose some of the items that are going to be inside your Ipsy bag, and then the other items are like a surprise. Okay, so this was a bump eraser body scrub with 10% AHA, alpha hydroxy acids, safe for sensitive skin. Okay, and it's so cute because look at the strawberry. These look like they came together. Well, they did. Dermatology tested, no artificial fragrance. Fresh strawberry. All right. I'm loving this little Ipsy bag, honey. Ooh. And this, it says, Watch Me Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara by What's Up Beauty. And that is everything in our Ipsy bag. They had some other stuff on the website, like this little NARS kit. I looked at it, but everything was, you couldn't pick any colors. Like, it just come with those colors, so I didn't pick that. And then Color Wow, they have like, okay, so there's a Professional. I had this coming in a sample from Sephora. There's the, is it Color Wow? Yeah, Color Wow. I'm not a fan of Color Wow. I prefer John Frieda. John Frieda, okay. John Frieda, Blowout, Smooth Operator. I need to do a video because John Frieda, I had to go back and get it. I got a free sample from John Frieda from the TikTok shop, and I had ran out, and my hair was not looking right without it. I had to go to Walmart and buy some. I was like, see, I don't like these samples because y'all just need to keep these coming up in the mail. I don't want to have to buy nothing. I feel like I shouldn't have to buy nothing ever again. If you send me a sample, you just send me, just keep them coming. It was only $13. It was like $10, but you know. And then they give you a little card. Main character energy, okay. Main character energy. And then it gives you the little details of everything that came inside your little Ipsy bag of each product. Okay, and it tells you how much your products cost. They're trying to say this travel size was $52. This travel size, $52. Deluxe sample, $10. The 2 pencils were equal 16. I know this was not that full size version of this product is 8 ounces. Okay, full size version of this is $30. And the full size version of the mascara is $23. Okay. Quarter travel size. And that's gonna be it today, dolls. Y'all go and sign up for these samples, okay? Then you can have a 15-step skincare routine too. But I am gonna put a mask on before I go to sleep. When I do my nighttime skincare, I like to put a sleeping mask over it, just to seal in all that goodness. I had one on, but it wasn't. I like the Medicube ones. They're really good for sleeping in. They're perfect. So, yeah. So until next time, thank you for tuning in. And y'all go ahead and put them samples in.